students, a very good morning to all of you. Are you all ready for your today's session, students? I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. Today, this is your spoken English session, so you all have to be ready with your spoken English book, which is there on screen. Okay, so today I'll introduce you with the new concept, so you all have to be very focused about that concept. And in case if you have any doubt, any query, so you can ask me. Okay, so parents, it's a request to you all that you all have to help our kids while doing this session. Okay, so basically students learn how to read three letter words, four letter word, even they also try to read the small sentence. Okay, so we have to help our kids to make small sentences by observing the things in their surrounding. Okay, so for that, what you have to do at your home. So first of all, I like to introduce you that how you have to make our kids initiate to build up स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस. ठीक है, आपने ये रेगुलर रूटीन में स्टूडेंट के साथ ये एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करनी है ताकि स्टूडेंट्स को सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना है. राइट, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आप सराउंडिंग से कोई भी पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, कोई भी पर्टिकुलर थिंग आप स्टूडेंट्स को शो करो. सपोज आई एम शोइंग दिस टू आवर किड्स. सो if I have to say in one way, so this pencil, right? But you have to try to initiate, to make them initiate कि आपको small sentence बनाना. Whether you make wrong, but try to make a sentence. So they will say, Mama, this is a pencil. So you have to appreciate them at that point of time when they are forming a sentence. Okay, तो आज का हमारा main agenda यही होगा that we will keep our kids हेल्पिंग थ्रू आउट द फॉर्मिंग सेंटेंसेस. ठीक है, कि हम अपने बच्चों को हेल्प करें कि वो स्मॉल स्मॉल सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना अभी से स्टार्ट करें. राइट, सो यू हैव टू शो देम पिक्चर्स. राइट, आप उनको पिक्चर शो कर सकते हो. इफ यू डोंट हैव पिक्चर्स, तो आप फ्लैश कार्ड्स यूज करो जो आपको बुक किट सेट के साथ मिली थी. राइट, जस्ट लाइक दिस. सी, यू हैव दीज काइंड ऑफ फ्लैश कार्ड्स विद यू. तो आप इसमें देखोगे कि यहाँ पर आपको वर्ड्स भी गिवन है और उसके ऊपर आपको कुछ पिक्चर्स गिवन है. राइट, तो आप ये पिक्चर्स भी रिमूव करके यहाँ से इजीली, दैट इज स्टीयरेबल. ठीक है, ये देखो मैंने रिमूव किया ये. इफ इट इज क्लियरली विजिबल टू यू, सो दिस इज अ काइट. राइट, सो आपने ये पिक्चर्स भी आप स्टूडेंट्स को शो कर सकते हो एंड देन आस्क टू मेक अ सेंटेंस कि अब आपको इससे स्मॉल सेंटेंस बनाना है. तो इससे क्या होगा, एक तो स्टूडेंट्स की स्पीकिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव होगी. राइट, दे आर एबल टू फॉर्म सेंटेंस बाय ऑन. ओके, सो ये आपने घर पे रेगुलर बेसिस पे परफॉर्म करना है. इवन इफ दे आर आस्किंग फॉर वाटर, मम्मा पानी चाहिए, सो यू हैव टू पॉइंट आउट एट दैट टाइम दैट यू हैव टू स्पीक इट इन इंग्लिश. आप इंग्लिश में बोलो दैट मम्मा ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. ओके, I want my meal, I want breakfast, now I want snack. Okay, in this way you have to ask our kids to form sentence and talk in English. So you can use these flashcards as well as what you can do at home. You can show them pictures in your mobile phone. We all know that mobile phones are a resource. कुछ भी अगर आपको नहीं मिलता, so you can use that mobile phone. So what you have to do, you have to search on Google any kind of clip art, show that picture to our kids and then help our kids to make small sentences. See, on the screen I have some pictures. So now students, now with this picture you have to observe this picture and make a small sentence. It's okay, that is the very first time. अगर आप सेंटेंस प्रॉपरली नहीं भी बना रहे, बट टेक एन इनिशिएट, हमेशा पहल करना इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट है ना. इफ यू आर नॉट गिवन इनिशिएट, अगर आप इनिशिएट ही नहीं लोगे, सो यू कांट लर्न, है ना. सो यू ऑल हैव टू डू, चाहे गलत करो, बट आई वॉन्ट कि दैट यू विल फर्स्टली टेक एन इनिशिएट बाय ऑन. आप खुद से लर्न करने की कोशिश करो. ओके, चलो लेट्स सी दिस पिक्चर. व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस पिक्चर स्टूडेंट्स? Oh, who is he? Girl? No, he's a boy. Yeah, right. So, students, if you have to form a sentence, so how you will form? Ma'am, this is a boy. Yes, you can form this as well. Otherwise, always boy के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? He. तो आप ऐसे भी form कर सकते हो. He is a boy. He is a tall boy. है ना? Okay. Now see the next picture. Who is he? Dog. है ना? This is a dog. So how can you form a sentence? This is my dog. आप ऐसे भी form कर सकते हो. It's a cute dog, right? So you can form n number of sentences with pictures. Now see, what is it? Bicycle. What is it? Bicycle. So how you can form small sentence? That's my bicycle. ये मेरी bicycle है. Okay. So today concept is all about forming sentence. Whatsoever worksheet I'll introduce you, both of having the same concept, making sentence. So अब आपको घर पे तो रिविजन करना ही है, रिवाइज करना है, else you have to also cover that worksheet. So come to your book, spoken English book. Not 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 लगा के अब सी यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग. ही हैज अ पेग. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? उसके पास एक पेग है, पेग व्हिच इज देयर ऑन स्क्रीन. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव टू कवर बाय टुडे. सो फर्स्टली ओपन योर बुक, come on page number 1717. As I told you before that now you have to work on making sentences. ठीक है, अब आपने क्या करना है? आपको एक तो मम्मा के साथ, घर में फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ यू हैव टू कन्वर्सेट इन इंग्लिश. ठीक है, स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस में आपने इंग्लिश में ही कन्वर्सेट करना है. ठीक है, चाहे आप गलत भी करते हो बट मेक इट अ हैबिट. कोई बात नहीं, जब आप फर्स्ट टाइम करते हो तो आप बहुत सारी उसमें क्या करते हो? मिस्टेक करते हो. बट when you are doing practice it again and again, so वो आपकी improve होती है, right? So please conversate in English. आप sentence form करो, small small sentence में मम्मा से बात करो. Like if you want water, so how will you ask? Mama, I want a glass of water. Mama, I want some snacks. Okay, in this way you have to conversate in English with all of your family members. Okay, so students, this is your page number 1717. In this worksheet also we will learn to form sentence. So parents, it's a request that you all have to help our kids while reading out these sentences using the words given above. तो आपको बहुत सारे words दिए गए हैं ताकि students will understand that how they will have to form sentences, and these sentences they can also use in their routine life. Okay, so these sentence formation will help our kids while conversating. Okay, so today I'll introduce you with the two worksheet, page number 17 as well as page number 18. Before starting this worksheet, you all have to fill the topmost column. You have to write the date on top, circle the day, go outside, check the weather and circle the clip art. Okay, till then I have a talk with you that students, in the previous session we had covered our unit A, right? In that we had covered the preposition, in, on, under, conjunction and article the. So is there any doubt? We also covered this and that. I told you that we have to use this and that in our sentences. So we use this for nearby object, very good, and we use that for far away object. Okay, so let's take a quick recap. I will show you something and you have to tell me we will use this or that. Okay, so students, see, I'm holding this. Is this visible to you? Yes. So I'm holding a star, so what I will use, this or that? Okay, who will give me the answer? Raise your hands. Ma'am, me. Okay, tell me, ma'am, this. Very good. Yes, we will use this. Why? Because this sentence is near to me. And if I am having um, this, if I'm having this AirPods and I will put it uh, far away from me, so then I don't have this. So tell me what I'll use, this or that? That. Why? Because it is far away from me. Okay, so in this way you all have to revise your concept with objects, with picture, whatever you want. Okay, so I hope so that now you are done with the upper portion. Let's come on our today concept. So students, what we all have to do, we have to make sentences. ठीक है, so how we have to make sentences, आप ये देखो, यहाँ पर we have parts given to us, right? Some are the words given to us and some are the uh, first part जो सेम रहेगा, कॉमन रहेगा, जस्ट वी हैव टू चेंज द लास्ट वर्ड्स. ओके, तो ये वर्ड्स चेंज करके हमें न्यू न्यू सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. सो हाउ वी विल फॉर्म दिस सेंटेंस, आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. सपोज वी विल रीड दिस वन, ही इज अ, सबसे पहले you have to read the very first word, boy. What is it? See the picture, he is a boy. So how we will make a sentence, he is a boy, right? Now if you have to form the second sentence, so how we will, we just have to change the next word. Last जो words आपने boy लगाया था, अब आप वो नहीं बोलोगे, you have to use the another word. So he is a, ये क्या है, the dad, right? He is a dad. In this way आपने sentence form करने. And please parents, it's a request, that is the very first time that students are forming sentence by on. Okay, so you all have to help throughout our kids in this worksheet. Okay, not in this worksheet, also in the another worksheet which I'll introduce you later with. Okay, so in this way we have to form sentence one by one. We will form sentence, and what's new in this, I will tell you. See, sentences, so you all have to form. Else what we have to do, we have to make the opposite statement also. Opposite statement means, जैसे if I am saying he is a boy, वो कौन है, वो एक boy है. So उसका opposite क्या होगा, उसका उल्टा क्या होगा, वो बॉय नहीं है. नहीं जब आ जाता है, वी विल यूज विच वर्ड, न और नॉट. जहां पर नहीं आता है उसके लिए हम इंग्लिश का कौन सा वर्ड यूज करते हैं, नॉट, है ना. सपोज इफ मम्मा इज सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू डू योर स्टडीज, आपको अपनी स्टडीज करनी है, और आप क्या बोलते हो, नहीं मम्मा अभी नहीं करनी. सो व्हाट यू विल से, नो मम्मा आई डोंट वांट टू डू नाउ. No, yeah, not. You can use not or no for making the opposite statement. Fine. So today we have to form the simple sentence, plus with that we have to form the opposite statement also. So that is our task for the whole week. Okay, that's fine. Fine. Is that clear to you all? यहाँ तक अगर किसी को भी doubt है, so you can ask me. आप मैम से पूछ सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक्स्ट मी, यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल मी इफ यू वॉन्ट टू. टेल मी इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट टिल नाउ. यहाँ तक अगर आपको किसी भी चीज में डाउट है, सो यू कैन आस्क. ओके, आई होप सो आपको डाउट नहीं होगा. इफ इन केस अगर डाउट है, सो प्लीज आस्क मी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स मेक सेंटेंसेस. अभी सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं और उसकी ऑपोजिट स्टेटमेंट भी वी विल मेक. So start with the very first sentence. You all have pencil in your hands. He is a boy. वो एक boy है. If we have to make the opposite, so how I will say, he is not a boy. Next, he is a the dad. वो कौन है, dad है. He is not a dad. See, it's very easy. Okay, so students, come on the next one. He is a, what is the next word? Lad. Who is lad? A young boy. Young boy को हम क्या बोलते हैं, lad. He is a lad. If we have to make the opposite of this statement, so we will say he is not a lad. So you have to understand the meaning also कि he is a lad मतलब ये एक lad है. If we have to make opposite, so we only have to add not. Not means नहीं, ये lad नहीं है, मतलब he is not a young boy, ये एक young boy नहीं है. Now see the next word. He is a cop. He is a cop. ये कौन है? Cop है, पुलिस ऑफिसर है. If I'm saying that ये तो पुलिस ऑफिसर नहीं है, so how you have to translate it in English? He is not a cop. Okay, in this way we have to form the sentence. Okay, that is a man, है ना? So we will make a sentence. He is a man. ये क्या है? ये एक man है. So you will see, you will notice one thing कि हम हर एक सेंटेंस में वी आर यूजिंग ही. वाई? बिकॉज हेयर वी आर टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट मेन, और वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बॉय, और वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेल ओनली. सो बॉयज के साथ, मेन के साथ, मेल के साथ वी ऑलवेज यूज ही. हम ही यूज करते हैं. वी आर नॉट यूजिंग शी फॉर इट. ओके, शी आप किसके साथ यूज करते हो? गर्ल के साथ यूज करते हो, वुमेन के साथ यूज करते हो, राइट? सो ही इज अ मैन. ये कौन है? मैन है. इफ वी हैव टू मेक द ऑपोजिट, सो मैम क्या कहेंगे? ये मैन नहीं है. नाउ यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट इन इंग्लिश. ही इज नॉट अ मैन. ये क्या है? मैन नहीं है. ओके, इन दिस वे यू हैव टू फॉर्म. नाउ वी विल do the next part. Okay, so we are on the next part now. So see, we have to read the very first one. She. She. I told you before that we use she only for the girls, only for women. So she is a. What is the very first word? वो at a wet. Wet कौन होता है? See, अगर आपको कोई भी इंजुरी होती है, राइट, यू आर हैविंग एनी डिजीज और आपकी तबीयत खराब होती है, सो यू विल गो टू अ डॉक्टर, है ना? तो ऐसे ही हम पेट रखते हैं, सो पेट को भी तो नीड होती है ना चेकअप की, सो दे विल गो टू अ वेट, राइट? सो शी इज अ वेट. वो कौन है? वेट है. If I have to form an opposite statement of it, so how we will say? She is not a vet. वो vet नहीं है. She is not a vet. Now come on the next word. She is a nun. कौन है ये? Nun है. Nun कौन होता है? कोई भी मेंबर ऑफ अ रिलीजियस ग्रुप, है ना? मेनली फीमेल. नन आप उसको कहोगे कि जो एक रिलीजियस ग्रुप का मेंबर है एंड शी इज अ फीमेल और वुमेन, तो आप उसको नन बोलते हो. सो शी इज अ नन. वो कौन है? नन है. एंड दिस इज मॉम. वन थिंग यू नोटिस that you are also revising your three letter words. While forming these sentences, you are revising your three letter words. So see, when you are doing any of your concept, so उसके साथ आपके previous concept की भी क्या होती है? revision होती है. Okay, so mom. Now we have to form sentence. She is a mom. ये कौन है? Mom है. If I have to make opposite, so how we will make? She is not a mom. ये mom नहीं है. Now come on the next. Cop. So she is a cop. She is a cop. If I have to make opposite, she is not a cop. वो cop नहीं है. Okay. Now the next part we will come. Okay, here we all have to read. So there are the pets. So it is a dog. Dog. It is a dog. ये एक dog है. It is not a dog. If I have to make opposite, so I will add not to my statement. So it is not a dog. Now the next is word. This next word is character. Character. Cat. So let's form a sentence. It is a cat. It is a cat. Now we have to make the opposite. It is not a cat. ये cat नहीं है. Now the next. It is a hen. You just have to see, यहाँ पर भी आपको clip arts given है plus words given है, तो आपको भी घर पे ऐसे ही करना है. You can show these pictures to our kids and uh, help them to form the sentence. Okay, so it is a hen, and with the opposite one, so it is not a hen. It is a bug. It is not a bug. So students, now you all have to form sentence by own. So ये क्या है? For ox, a fox. Now make a sentence similar to it. Ma'am, it is a fox. Very good. And who will form the opposite sentence? Ma'am, it is not a fox. Very good. Okay, let's form a new one also with the new word. So it's cub. What is it? Cub. So it is a cub. Cub कौन होता है? Lion का छोटा baby. So it is not a cub. ये cub नहीं है. Now we will come on the next part. So that's a ram. ram. Who is a ram, students? ram आपको पता है किसको बोलते हैं? अच्छा, you know sheep. sheep में जो मेल sheep होती है ना, उसको हम ram बोलते हैं, right? So let's form a sentence. Okay, that male sheep saying I am a ram. What he is saying? I means मैं. I am a ram. जैसे आप क्या बोलते हो? I am a boy. I am a girl. So ऐसे ही I am a ram. अगर इसका opposite बनाना है, so how we will make? I am not a ram. मैं ram नहीं हूँ. So now see, that is a dog. Which breed? Pug. Have you ever seen this? That dog is having the black face, है ना? So it's pug. So I am a pug. मैं क्या हूँ? मैं pug हूँ. If he wants to change the statement, opposite करना है, so what say? I am not a pug. मैं pug नहीं हूँ, right? Now the next, I am a bug. See, the first half always remains same. ठीक है? अगर आप I am a use करें तो वो same रहेगा. You just have to change the words. I am a pug. Now you have to make the opposite of this statement. So I am not a pug. I am a hen. Opposite, I am not a hen. I am a, what is it? Cub. I am a cub. I am not a cub. मैं cub नहीं हूँ. Now the next part. For ox, a fox. Let's make sentence. I am a fox. मैं क्या हूँ? मैं fox हूँ. Let's make the opposite one. I am not a fox. मैं fox नहीं हूँ. Okay. So now there is lot of practice of sentence formation. अब आपको मजा आ रहा होगा, है ना? Now you also find कि ये तो बहुत easy है, right? So let's do some more sentences also. Now we will shift towards our next sentences over here. So students, now in the same way we have to form the sentence. So students, you will see the very first picture. ये क्या है? B at a bat. Let's make a sentence. This is a B at a bat. ये क्या है? This is a bat. ये एक bat है. Right? This we will use for the nearby object. जो near to us होते हैं, उसके लिए we will use this. So this is a bat. If it is not a bat, so how we will say? This is not a bat. This is a, see the next word, at a cat. ये एक cat है. अगर cat नहीं है, so how we will form? This is not a cat. ये cat नहीं है. See the next word. This is a at a hat. This is a hat. And let's make the opposite one. This is not a hat. ये hat नहीं है. Now this is a at a rat. This is a rat. This is not a rat. Okay, last two I will left. You all have to send me the recording and also send these two. you have to use these two words and form the sentence. Okay, rest of the जो आपके sentences है उसमें मैम will left two words. ओके, दैट्स योर होमवर्क. आपने क्या करना है, जैसे मैम ने सिमिलरली आपके अबव 4 वर्ड्स की हेल्प से वी विल फॉर्म सेंटेंसेस ना, आपने सिमिलरली सेम तरीके से आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज योर होमवर्क. एवरी वन ऑफ यू हैव टू शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ दीज words. Okay, आपने इन words की help से you have to form the sentence in a similar way जैसे आपने above words के form करे. Okay, also this basic sentence plus the opposite statement. Okay, I will give you an instance आपको कैसे recording करनी है. See, this is a bat, this is not a bat. ठीक है, so you have to use those words and share the recording with me. हर एक last two word के साथ. ठीक है, so now we will come on this part. This is your homework, these two are your homework. You have to form the sentence with these words. ये जो मैम ने पार्टीशन करा है ना, इन सारे वर्ड्स की आपने रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करनी है. Okay, let's see. That is a. Tell me where we use that. We will use that for the far away object. ऐसे objects के साथ हम that use करते हैं जो हमसे दूर होते हैं, right? So we will see that is a, what is it? At a jet. That is a jet. If we have to make the opposite statement, so how we will make? That is not a jet. Okay. Similarly, you have to make the sentence with this word. That is a, what is it? For an pen. That is a pen. ये क्या है? Pen है. Let's make the opposite statement. That is not a pen. ये pen नहीं है. That is not a pen. Now come on the next part. That is a den. That is a den. Den क्या होता है? जहाँ पर ऐसी place where the wild animal live, right? Like lion. So that is a den. That is not a den. One time you have to make the basic statement and afterwards you have to make the opposite statement. That is a, come on the next word, it's at net. That is a net. Let's make the opposite statement. That is not a net. Okay, in same way you have to use these words and make the sentence with these two words, and this is your homework. Now over here, she has a cap. उसके पास क्या है? Cap है. She has a cap. Now, if we have to make the opposite, so we will use does not. She does not has a cap. उसके पास cap नहीं है. So come on the next part, students. So we will read this one. She, her as has a, what is that word? Cap. She has a cap. If we make the opposite of this statement, so we will say she does not have a cap. उसके पास cap नहीं है. She has a, let's read the next word. She has a pet. उसके पास क्या है? Pet है. She does not have a pet. यहाँ पर जब आपको opposite sentence form करना है, so you have to use does not. She has a pen. She has a pen. Let's make a opposite one. She does not have a pen. Okay, now these two is your homework. You have to make the sentences, form the sentences and send the recording to me. Okay, in the similar way जैसे अभी हमने above words करे. Okay, now we will read the next part. He, her as has a peg. Peg क्या होता है? एक metal piece होता है with through which we will hang something. चाहे आप clothes hang कर सकते हो. You can hang anything while using this metal piece. Okay, it's look like this. See, this is a peg. Okay, so we will read the sentence. He has a peg. उसके पास क्या है? He has a peg. If we make the opposite of it, So he does not have a pet. उसके पास pet नहीं है. Okay, now this is eat kit. He has a kit. उसके पास क्या है? Kit ही है. He has a kit. He does not have a kit. We will make the opposite. So how we will make? He does not. We will use does not to make the opposite. Now do it with the next word. He has a box. उसके पास क्या है? He has a box. If we have to say उसके पास box नहीं है, so how we will make the opposite one? He does not have a box. उसके पास box नहीं है. So similarly, you have to use those words and make the sentences. Okay. Now students, you have to do the reading practice, make the sentence while using these words. Okay, now I'm coming on the next worksheet which I'll have to introduce you. We all have to form the sentences in a similar way, just we have do it in the previous worksheet. Okay, here also we have to make one basic sentence, and we have to make the opposite of that kind. Okay, so now I am waiting till then you will finish that worksheet, then we will start. Okay students, so in this worksheet we have to form these sentence in the same way we had formed it in the previous one. Okay, in this worksheet I'll introduce you with the first three words. Rest of the words you have to do by own. Okay, and share the recording with me. So let's start. In the similar way we have to do it. So you have to read the very first one. I however have a, what is that word? At the pad. I have a pad. मेरे पास क्या है? मेरे पास pad है. If we have to make the opposite, so how I will make? I do not have a pad. मेरे पास pad नहीं है. In this way, we have to form the opposite sentence. I do not have a pad. Let's form the next sentence in the same way. I have a. How you have to make a new sentence? Just you have to change the word. यहाँ पर आपने क्या ये word use किया था? You will use this word. Now you don't have to use this word. You have to change the word. Okay, rest of are the same. I have a at pet. मेरे पास क्या है? मेरे पास pet है. If I have to make opposite, so how we will say? I do not have a pet. मेरे पास pet नहीं है. Suppose one of you, your friend, you are meeting one of your friend. उसके पास pet है. He is saying I have a pet, but you don't have pet. So what you will say? I do not have pet. You can use these sentences in your routine life as well. तो जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे रीड करने की और अपने रूटीन लाइफ में उसको यूज करने की, यू विल नॉट एबल टू कन्वर्सेट इट इन इंग्लिश. ठीक है, सो आपने रीड भी करना है. यू ऑल्सो हैव टू कन्वर्सेट इट विद योर फैमिली मेंबर्स. ओके, चलो. Now we will do this one also. So students, what is it? This fig, right? So we will read it with sentence. I have a fig. I किसके लिए यूज होता है? जब मैं अपने बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, if you are talking about yourself, so you will use I for it. So I have a fig. मेरे पास क्या है? Fig है. But some of your friend do not have fig. So what he say? I do not have fig. मेरे पास fig नहीं है. Okay, so rest of the words you have to use to make the sentence in a similar way. So that is your homework. Okay, now come on the next part. Let's do some of the examples. So students, I want आप कब यूज करते हो? जब आपको किसी चीज की विश होती है. ओके, यू ऑल हैव सम डिजायर्स. आपकी सबकी कुछ विश होती है. लाइक मम्मा विल आस्किंग यू, ओके आपको क्या चाहिए? तो यू विल से मम्मा आई वांट अ डॉल, आई वांट अ कार, है ना? सो वांट आप वर्ड कब यूज करते हो? व्हेन यू हैव अ विश. ओके, so let's read the sentence. So I want a an van. I want a van. मुझे क्या चाहिए? मुझे van चाहिए. Now, if we have to make the opposite, so we will say I do not want a van. मुझे van नहीं चाहिए, है ना? So maybe उसके पास पहले से van हो. So he don't want van. He has some other wish. So I do not want a van. So now do it with the next word. I want a at a set. मुझे क्या चाहिए? Set of these tools. But one of the boys said, I want a set. मुझे तो ये set चाहिए because I don't have. So other boys will have this set. So he will say, I do not want a set. मुझे ये set नहीं चाहिए. Right? Now, what is it? This is zip. Zip. So I want a zip. I want a zip. मुझे ये zip चाहिए. I do not want a zip because I already have. मुझे zip नहीं चाहिए. Rest of the words you have to use for making the sentence. Come on the next part, students. Okay, now see this very carefully. I use for ourselves, right? So I see means देखना. I see a dog. मैंने क्या देखा? I see a dog. मैंने एक dog देखा. Now I do not see a dog, but मैंने dog नहीं देखा. I see a dog. I do not see a dog. So when you are adding do not, so that means you are changing your statement in an opposite way. Okay, so I see a bug. Bug. मैंने क्या देखा? I see a bug. But one of your friend who is standing next to you, he said, I do not see a bug. But मैंने तो bug नहीं देखा. Right? आप ऐसे को होता है ना कई बार when you all are going to park for ride, so you see something. आप देखते हो कि वहां पर ट्रीज के पीछे क्या है? काउ है या कोई बर्ड है. सो यू से आई सी अ बर्ड देयर, बट वन ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स सी आई डोंट सी अ बर्ड, है ना? सो sometimes in our normal routine life these situations come, so you are able to know that how you have to conversate, how you have to react at that particular situation. So I see a cow. मैंने क्या देखी? मैंने एक cow देखी. One are saying I do not see a cow, but मैंने तो cow नहीं देखी. I do not see a cow, right? So in the same way, you have to use the upcoming words and form the sentence similar to it. Okay, students. Now I like a. मुझे क्या पसंद है? Like आप कहाँ use करते हो? When you like something, जब आपको कोई चीज पसंद होती है, so you will say I like a pen. मुझे क्या पसंद है? पेन पसंद है. You can also form sentence as per your liking. Like I like ice cream. Right? I like a dog. So you can also form the sentence as per your liking, what you want to like. So you can form sentence. I like a hat. मुझे क्या पसंद है? Hat पसंद है. I like a bun. What I like? I like a bun. So let's make the opposite of these words. I do not like a pen. मुझे pen नहीं पसंद. I do not like a hat. I do not like a hat means मुझे hat नहीं पसंद. I do not like a bun. The same way मुझे bun नहीं पसंद. Okay, students. Now come on the next part. I wear a wig. मैं क्या पहनती हूँ? I wear a wig. मैं एक wig पहनती हूँ. So I do not wear a wig. Why I do not wear a wig? Because I have my original hairs. So I do not wear a wig. I wear a hat. I like to wear a hat. मुझे hat पहनना पसंद है. I do not wear a hat. मैं hat नहीं पहनती. Okay, now do the next. I feel hot. मैं कैसा feel कर रही हूँ? बहुत hot feel कर रही हूँ. मतलब मुझे बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. I feel hot. Okay, I do not feel hot. मुझे तो hot feel नहीं हो रहा. So why you are feeling hot? Do you have a temperature? Okay. I feel sad. You can use these sentences and normally you can conversate also. Okay. अगर आप कन्वर्सेट नहीं करते हो इंग्लिश में, सो ट्राई टू कन्वर्सेट. ओके. आई फील सैड. मैं कैसा फील कर रहा हूँ? सैड फील कर रहा हूँ. आई डू नॉट फील सैड. बट मैं सैड फील नहीं कर रहा हूँ. सो वाई यू आर फीलिंग सैड? बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग एन इंजरी, है ना. सो आई फील बैड. मैं कैसा फील कर रहा हूँ? बैड फील कर रहा हूँ. I do not feel bad. मैं bad feel नहीं कर रहा हूँ. So students, you all have to do practice with those words. Okay? आप इन words को use करके you can form sentence. You can also conversate with your friends, with your family members to improve your reading skills plus your spoken skills. आप जब तक conversate नहीं करोगे in your daily routine life, तब तक आपकी speaking skills improve नहीं होगी. So all I wanted that you from now onwards आपकी बहुत प्रैक्टिस हो गई है 3 लेटर वर्ड्स की, 4 लेटर वर्ड्स की, प्लस अगेन एंड अगेन आप कोई भी टास्क परफॉर्म करते हो तो उसमें आपकी 3 लेटर 4 लेटर वर्ड्स की प्रैक्टिस होती है. ठीक है. सो नाउ व्हाट आर आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? Our next step is that we use those words to conversate with someone. Okay. So how can you conversate? Whom you will conversate? With your family members, because आपके आसपास कौन है? आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, आपके मम्मा पापा हैं, ग्रैंड मदर हैं, ग्रैंड फादर है. तो आप अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ कन्वर्सेट करो ताकि अब आप जो नेक्स्ट करोगे, रीडिंग करोगे, वो आपकी और इम्प्रूव हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज योर मेन प्रायोरिटी फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स. So now come on the next. I can beg. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? Beg कर सकता हूँ. I can beg. I can dig. मैं dig कर सकता हूँ. Dig means खोदना. Okay. I can jig. Right. I can jig also. So let's make the opposite one. I cannot beg. मैं beg नहीं कर सकता किसी से. I cannot dig. मैं तो बहुत छोटा हूँ. So how can I dig? I cannot dig. I cannot jig. Also मैं jig भी नहीं कर सकता. Right? Fun. The next is, yes, over here. So now let's do the last portion. Rest of the words which I left with. ठीक है. जितने भी words मैम ने अभी आपके left करे हैं, so you have to do practice with those words. ओके. आपने यहाँ पर स्टार्टिंग में वर्ड्स के साथ प्रैक्टिस करी है. मैम ने आपको ये सारे वर्ड्स इंट्रोड्यूस करवाए हैं, बट यू ऑल हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दोज वर्ड्स, यूज दोज वर्ड्स फॉर फॉर्मिंग अ सेंटेंस. ओके. Now we will come on the last part. So here we are. I like to eat. So we all like something, है ना. We all are having some favorite eatables. So now we are using some words for this. I like to eat. मुझे क्या खाना पसंद है? Ham. Ham. Let's make the opposite statement. I do not like to eat. मुझे क्या खाना नहीं पसंद? मुझे ham खाना नहीं पसंद. So one like to eat ham, one do not like to eat ham. So I like to eat jam. मुझे क्या खाना पसंद है? I like to eat jam. Jam is my favorite thing. I do not like to eat jam. But मुझे jam नहीं पसंद. I like to eat yam. What I like to eat? I like to eat yam. मुझे yam खाना पसंद है. Here, what we will say? I do not like to eat yam. Okay, students. So that is all about your today's spoken English session. Students, you all have to form sentences at your home. You can use some pictures. You can use these pictures because there are lots of pictures, lots of words given to you, so you can easily डू दिस एट योर होम, है ना। आपकी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस और आपकी सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन इन्हीं वर्ड्स और इन्हीं पिक्चर्स की हेल्प से हो जाएगी। यू डोंट हैव टू सर्फ इट फ्रॉम योर मोबाइल, आपको मोबाइल से सर्फ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, राइट। यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारे वर्ड्स मिलेंगे, क्लिप आर्ट्स मिलेगी, जिसकी हेल्प से आप खुद से घर पे सेंटेंस फॉर्म करोगे। ओके, एंड रिवाइज दीज टू वर्कशीट, दोज वर्ड्स which are left you have to form the sentences with those words and then send the recording to me. Okay, so that's it for your today session. You all have to do practice on regular basis in your routine life. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने ये 2 worksheet फटाफट से done करी, then you are done with it. No, you have to use it in your regular routine life. Okay, from now onwards you all have to start conversating with your family members, with everyone at your home in English. Okay, use small sentence, पहले हम छोटे छोटे steps लेंगे, आप small sentence में conversate करोगे, then we will come to the next part. Okay, so that's your homework for this week. Okay, this will also improve your speaking skills. Have a good day. Bye bye. God bless you all. And we will meet on Monday. Okay, in schools. Have a good day. Bye bye. And you all know that we have to meet regularly twice a week, है ना। तो मंडे से 2 से you have to come twice in a week. मंडे को आपको आना है, plus you also have to come on Thursday. Fine, students? चलो।